Hi guys. Okay, Cocoa Daisy time. Cocoa Daisy time. I can't wait to see this. I just love them. Oh, I just love them. Okay, so this is the Traveler's Notebook kit. Let's see what we get. I love getting all this stuff from them. Oh, look at this washi tape. It's weird. And cool. All at the same time. Can you guys see that? Yep. It's like, oh, it's hearts, I think. They look like hearts. Could be making that up. This is the tags. Oh, I love that. Oh, love that. Ooh, look at, we get twine. Ooh, I like twine. Let me put it here. Ooh, teardrops. They're nice and shiny. They're all glittery and pretty. Always choose to see the bright side. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy, right? There really are. Love the tag. Ooh, nice little mini set. Oh, look, it has those things. I have no idea what they're called. I only know the tittle for the eye because of Laura Basson on YouTube. She was so cute when she's teaching you what that is, that I remember. So these are those stickers that we no longer get, the die cuts. We get stickers now, which I appreciate. Oh, so it's one. So one. Oh, I think they can fold. You can fold them in half if you wanted. They don't fold on their own. But they do. But you can. This is also one. I love that. I love the stickers more than the die cuts. I love that. I'm glad they went that way. So then we always get, for the TN layout, we always get the story and then how to put a TN together. And you get a sketch also. Love that. So, and then here is the papers. Remember, they're double-sided. I love how double-sided they are. So that's one. Here's two. Three. And four. Cute. Let's look at the TN now. Ooh, look at that. How pretty and bright that is. Just gonna flip through it. Oh, look at pretty. The clouds. Springtime. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love that. It's beautiful. So that's the TN kit. This is that one. And I believe I pay $73 for all of this that I get. I get the TN kit, the planner add-on, and love these bags. And the dory without the dory kit without the dory. So look at it. Oh, look at there. Oh, look at, they have little dimension on them. Aww. That is so cute. I love the tassel. Look how pretty that tassel is. It's always plain inside. Love it. I don't know. I think that's in the planner add-on. I can't remember that stuff. Oh, look at that cute rainbow paper clip. Oh, that is just beautiful. Oh, and then I love these. These are awesome. What does it say? Oh gosh. I'm in denial that I need glasses, you guys. So, total denial. So I can read this. Sunshine on my mind. I can read it from far away, and I can read it up close. No, I can't. But nobody needs to know that. So, we're okay. So, oh, look at that. Oh, I love that. That's a nice washi. Ooh, a tag. Love it. Get another one of these. That's awesome. That's awesome. I like that. Oh, and I get 2 of these. These are the stickers. Yay! And then let's look at the little things. 3x4 card. Up in the clouds, on my way to unknown things. Happiness blooms where seeds of love and joy are planted. These are pretty. If you want the rainbow, you gotta put up with the rain. Dolly Parton. Oh, I love that. I love Dolly Parton. Hey, did you guys watch the Netflix show that she did? Oh, I love it. It's so good. Couldn't watch the one with the dog, so that's the only one I missed because I did not want to know. This is the message we always get in the beginning of our kits also. I did not want to see any animals dying or getting old or anything. I didn't want to, and I didn't know who seen it to tell me that the dog dies or not, so I have not watched it. So, cloud. I love this little notepad. Oh, look at this, a different washi. I love it. I love these colors. They're awesome. This reminds me of Erin Condren, her colors that she uses. Oh, look at this pen or pencil. I never know what it is until I go to use it and I'm like, oh, it's a pencil. So, but it's beautiful. Oh, this is my favorite one that they have ever made so far. I love that. And you can always tell it's Cocoa Daisy because they always have a daisy up on the top. Can you see? Yep, right there. Cute. Okay, oh, look at this one, you guys. Look at the dangly charms on this one. Love that. That's Bus, by the way. If you can hear him snoring. Okay. Always choose to see the bright side. Very nice. Oh, look at this one. Oh, and this is a pen holder in your TN. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love that. It's like an embroidered sticker. And more teardrops. You can put this, like touch the tips. If you don't know what to do with these, you can touch the tips and make like a really cute embellishment. Instead of using them as raindrops or teardrops, put them together. Put the tips all together. It'll make like a flower pattern. It should anyways. Let's see. And these are the refills we always get. Oh, look at this notepad. I love these notepads. They're so awesome. And then the standard stickers we get. Oh, look at this. I love this. Look at the colors on this one. Ooh, nice. And then it opens like this. So you can cut them if you want. Pretty. I love it. Oh, look at, we get the big version. I am so happy. This is awesome. I love this one. Oh, it's my favorite one. Oh, pretty. That one is pretty too. Okay, that's it, you guys. So I will see you all next month. Take care. Bye.